Because I'm really irritated by this. Then the other one is about swimming pool recommendation. What kind of practical lesson do you go in Nasal when the water is scarcity, when there is pasture not there, and the children are following 40 kilometers to look for this water, and then you are recommending swimming pool, and the teacher himself doesn't know how to impart that knowledge to a learner. And at the same time, the school doesn't have a swimming pool. Leave alone even the swim. I, as a professor, or even my brother here, he doesn't have a swimming pool. But here, KICD are recommending the swimming pool. You know? And then they said, download, internet. When the school doesn't have internet. Even the parents, kama wako na kabambe, what kind of internet? They don't have a smartphone. Okay. Then the last but not least, on education, National Education Board, and ESCAC, which is Educational Standard and Quality Assurance Council, is not in operation. What kind of quality assessment do you do to that effect?
All right.
What is very important is the access.
Yes.
Is the access.